How you doing? You've come to join us at our hut. You're just gonna stare? Okay. Okay. So we're at the beach again, as you can tell. Love life. So we're gonna go parasailing soon. It's her and now no one cares. But yeah, we're going parasailing. I think we got stuck, brother. So we're about to go paragliding now, aren't we? Yeah. It's the paragliding guy there. But we are. We're finally going to do parasailing and jet skiing now. Yeah. Oh no, like they're playing volleyball here. Cold.
This is the
shit beach. I'm taking off my shoes, I can't lie. Yeah, this is the shit hotel. So rude.
No, it's not all.
Another one, Buddha.
This guy's close, bro.
Where these white things are?
Where these white things are?
Yeah.
Bro, look how far we are from the beach. Look at the line. Oh my god. Keep going, keep going.
So there's you and Zach going on.
Huh?
We should have went together. I think we can go.
No, it's only 10 minutes.
Oh yeah. That was crazy.
I'm a double driver.
The W driver.
Oh, that was so cool.
That was crazy. About to paraglide, bro. Like, this is actually serious. That's crazy, we get faster.
Wait on that.
Should I take my hair out for it? I think I'm gonna take my hair down for it. We're on a boat. We're on a boat. It's fair, guys. Fly away. Fly away. Bye.
para lazım, adı para. Elimizin geri başa bela. Yaşa bizim gibi paşa paşa.
Yeah. Fucking tracking you down.
Whoa. So sick, bro. I look like a little boy in this fight.
So do I, bro.
You guys can see this in real life, like, it just looks mad. That's crazy.
Your camera probably.
Bro, you have a better phone. Oh no, you don't, never mind.
Yeah.
Look at the caves. Look how clear the water is. What was that, bro? That's serious. Nah, bro.
So we might die. Oh look, this is. Wait, no, that's not ours.
No, that's not our
Nah, this isn't our hotel.
Yeah, our hotel's there. That's the thing I was talking about, the little bit at the top. Do you see?
Oi.
That's what I was talking about.
Sorry, we're supposed to go there.
That's our little beach bit. Finished the jet skis. We're gonna go back to the room now. We've adopted this cat. It's still here. So cute. But yeah, we're gonna got asked out as well for the guy that I showed you earlier on in the video. Anyways, we're back in the hotel room. Look at the view from our balcony. The sun is looking immaculate. I'm not even lying to you guys. These lot are singing whatever the heck they're singing. But yeah, beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to...
Look at these diamonds now.
Okay. So we're going... I don't know where we're going, to be honest.
We're going to a shopping mall.
We're going to the shopping mall. This is the outfit. This is the outfit.
Again, you
This
know
is
that's
the
supposed to take
The
your room.
outfit. Where's your drip from?
Huh?
Where's your drip from?
This from Ted Baker. Shorts are from Marks and Spencer's. Shoes are Laura Piano.
Cold, cold, cold.
Sunglasses are Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton.
Headphones
Didn't know
are
he was
Sample.
stepping out rich like that.
Yeah.
Outfit check.
Oh, Shein. Nike.
Child labor
Lol.
clothes.
That's a child labor clothes. Good night.
I'm gonna get
Anyways, this I don't know where it's from because it's Gunnels. This is from Shein. These are from JD.
that's from H&M.
This is from H&M.
The men's section, guys. Go to it.
Yay. And my glasses are from my
I look
opticians.
like Donald Trump because my face is orange.
Oh, okay.
The
Nice. Check.
Okay, so this is from Shein, this is from Shein, this is from PLT. And
PLT?
these are from a secret you'll never know.
Anyways, Shamlar guys.
Yeah, Shamlar.
Like
Like, maybe it was Susan.
like Nitty or Sinsan. What did you say? No way. Her tatas? Good.
Söyleyeyim ben size 546
546
475
475
48
30 hertz straight up.
We're at the mall. It's an outlet actually. Where's the ice cream thing? Nah, but they mess you about, bro. Look at what he's doing to the poor girl. Ah,
Come on, finger.
grab the thing. Come on, it's funny. We made it. We made it. We made it. Now we're just waiting for the rest of them. There's a Mackey's over there. We're gonna try Turkish McDonald's.
Turkish McDonald's?
Turkish McDonald's. I swear it's only the third day here. I feel like we've done so much.
Bro, I went gym this morning. You don't fucking didn't.
Yeah, but the gym was broke, so I'm glad I didn't go and waste my sleep. But anyways, yeah, we're at the outlet now. We're just waiting for the second taxi, which has everyone else in it. So yeah, ice cream guy is actually on smoke over there, but the better angle for you lot. Waiting for this woman to like.
And the guy put the ice cream out like that and he stole it off the ice cream. He took the ice cream in his hand.
Yeah. That guy licked it. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it was him.
That's crazy. This is an outlet, but all the shoes are like fake shoes.
stock here.
Look, they've got fake everything except then there's no real stuff, but it's like.
What are you talking
Oh,
about?
it's the first actual Nike thing we've seen. It's a whole Nike section. Like what? That's crazy. That's just literally like an outlet. There's barely any.
Imagine they've spelled one of the brands wrong.
Tommy! Look, fake Air Forces throughout the night tick.
Not bad. And then I was like, oh hi.
It's literally a fake. It's a fake outlet. This is hilarious. What are these brands like?
That means that's for like. They don't know about Gangnam Style, bro. They don't know that this is for like
Oh my gosh, no way. No way they have these. That's crazy. We just bought a bunch of stuff.
with Michael Jackson?
That's so scary. What the fuck?
Why does he look like that? Look, they got Einstein. He's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is sick. Look at this.
Oh, this is Kobe.
Hotter than 28. You see that sign, guys? Alanya. Dur. Park etmek. Anyways, so we just finished our little shop. We're heading back to the front of the outlet, and I think we're gonna get ice cream. I'm not too sure, to be honest. But bilmiyorum.
Well, they're not leaving out that entrance.
Where are they?
Now you bit.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Like, you're like
Oh. Okay. Anyways. Yeah. 5K even.
I'm not a woman of visa.
And you showed your face.
I'm not a woman of visa.
Wow.
That's my time.
Want some ice cream?
They could go home. We'll take a cab.
Yeah, we're touring the shops. It's amazing. You know. Obviously, like, look at the view. Like,
I'm going to show you our YouTube channel, Donna.
yeah, Donna, do you want to be on the channel? Yeah, subscribe.
You're going to be in it. You're in on the clip.
Yeah, guys, so we're heading to Mackey's. It's right in front of us. Turkish McDonald's. We're about to do a taste test, right? Well, you've already had it. But
Oh no, but I had it like from Alanya years ago and it wasn't this one. Different Mackies in Turkey taste different, bro.
Donna was literally like,
There's one that's never been the same.
Donna
One Mackies, never been the same.
Donna was literally like, why is it so hot? We're in Turkey. Like, we're in Turkey. Akudonardo. You want to get Kev's Turkish delights?
We could get it in the closer to the end, I think. Right?
Shake since when? Churros at Mackey's. That's crazy. Wow. A bucket of chips, man. What the flip? They even have all of this. Like, look at this.
I got crispy tenders first.
And look at the coffee options, bro. Look at what's on the breakfast menu, bro. Look at this, bro. Yo, hire me. Look at the size
Mom and Dad
of
are
this.
outside.
Look at the size of this. This is insane. Oh my gosh. This is actually insane. Look at the chips. Oh my god, the chips. Oh my god.
And how much should we spend? Like what? Five?
I don't know.
Maybe a bit more than
Why is the meal the size of the chips the size of my hand, bro? And look how big the cup is. Like, bro, I don't think you guys like see.
And look, they give more straws
Like,
than just one. Oh my god, is it?
what are you rating it?
I'll run it.
Chicken tender was nice though. This is banging. Banging. This is literally a liter. Like,
You want to try the milkshake?
Yeah. They actually have plastic straws out here. That's crazy. So we're going to the disco now.
Disco, party.
It's only us.
We're gonna make a disco on our balcony if
going to
it
the-
ain't lit.
Yeah, if it ain't lit, we're gonna get drinks and go to our balcony. What if I cancel? Anyways. In the back rooms is this, bro. What the hell? Go. Where did this go at? That's scary. There's no disco, mate.
There's no disco booth.
You need to go down to where the pool is.
Another kitty cat has joined us. Look. There's literally a blood moon every night here. Like, it looks like red as hell. It's just casual.